Welcome! Today, we're going to show you the simple and updated way to hide Snapchat's silent notification content on your phone's lock screen. If you've ever been annoyed by snippets of your Snapchat messages showing up when your phone is locked, this quick guide will help you keep your notifications private and secure. First things first, grab your phone and head over to your main settings menu. This is where you control all your app preferences and notification settings. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists all the applications installed on your device. Next, find Snapchat in your list of apps and tap on it. Now, you're inside the Snapchat app settings. Here, look for the Notifications option and select it. This is where you can customize how Snapchat alerts you with messages, stories, and other updates. Within Notifications, tap on Notification Categories. Snapchat notifications are divided into different types, so this step lets you manage each one individually. Under the General category, you'll see an option labeled Silent Notifications. Tap on Silent Notifications to proceed. Now you've reached the key step. Find and tap on Lock Screen Notification Settings. Here, you'll see options for what to show when notifications arrive while your phone is locked. Choose the option labeled Hide Content. This means the notification will alert you that a Snapchat message arrived, but it won't display any message details or content on your lock screen. By following these steps, your Snapchat silent notifications will no longer show sensitive information when your phone is locked. It's a great way to maintain your privacy while still getting alerts. This setup works perfectly with the latest versions of both Android and Snapchat, so you're all set to keep things discreet. That's all there is to it. Now you can enjoy peace of mind knowing your Snapchat messages won't be visible to anyone who picks up your phone. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to customize your notifications to fit your privacy needs. See you in the next one.